Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website in Figma. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Select a desktop frame, perhaps 1440 pixels wide, to begin your canvas. Establish a grid system, like a 12-column grid with 24 pixel gutters, to guide your layout. Organize your work into distinct pages and frames for better management and clarity throughout the design process. Next, focus on building your user interface elements. Design reusable components for buttons, navigation bars, and cards to ensure consistency across your site. Leverage Figma's auto layout feature to create responsive sections that adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes. Carefully select a consistent color palette and typography, perhaps using 3 primary colors and 2 font families, to establish your brand's visual identity. Now, let's bring your design to life with interactivity. Connect your frames using Figma's prototyping tools to simulate the user's journey through your website. Add engaging interactions like hover effects for buttons and click actions for navigation links. Thoroughly test your prototype, perhaps by clicking through all main pathways, to identify any usability issues and ensure a smooth, intuitive user experience before development begins. Finally, prepare your completed website design for development and collaboration. Organize your layers and name them clearly for an efficient developer handoff. Export all necessary assets, such as icons and images, in appropriate formats like SVG for vectors or PNG for raster graphics. Share your Figma file with your development team and stakeholders, perhaps by inviting them as editors, to gather feedback and ensure a seamless transition to coding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.